What is an interval? I'm going to make it really easy. An interval is just the space between two notes. If I go from C to D, that's note 1 to note 2. So that would be called a second. It's just a space between two notes, and this is the distance. It's a second. If I go from C to E, 1, 2, 3, do, re, mi. C to E is a third, get it? So you always count the bottom note, and then you just count up. So what if I went C to F? 1, 2, 3, 4, it'd be a fourth. C to G, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh, and an eighth is also called an octave. Now what if it's C to the same C? That's called a unison, or a 1. All right? So it's the space between two notes, and you just count from the bottom note. A common mistake is some people count from the note, so they'll say C to D is a 1. No. I realize you're only taking one step, but we count the bottom note as 1. Think of a building. This would be the lobby, which counts as floor 1. So when we go up a floor, we call this floor 2. So going from the lobby to the second floor, that would be a second. Third floor, fourth floor. Now the next thing you need to know is that we could go from one note to the next note like we're singing a melody. If we're doing that, we call that melodic, okay? It's a melodic interval because I go from one note to the next note. If I sing them at the same time, let's say C and E, I'm singing in harmony. So we would call that a harmonic interval. Do not get these confused with melodic and harmonic minor. They have nothing to do with that. At its very basic, an interval is just the space between two notes. Count the bottom note. You can either sing them at the same time or one after the other.